Today is very special day for me. I am truly happy to receive this silver play button from YouTube for crossing 1 lakh subscribers. This journey would not have been possible without you my subscribers, my viewers and my amazing team. Thank you for your love, support and constant encouragement. Every view, comment, like and share has helped us reach this milestone. I am deeply grateful to each one of you. This is not my success. This belongs to each one of us. This journey would not have been possible without you. Let's keep growing us together.